t-shirt designs I'm sharing with you are things, yes, that can be sold as the print-on-demand products. I'm sharing with you t-shirts, but understand these things can also be sold on mugs. These designs can be sold on a canvas, but you can actually sell these designs just as the PNG file, the SVG file, that is extremely more passive than what I'm teaching you today. And this is a teacher t-shirt design that is selling very well. And the reason why I started off with this one is because in this design, it is combining two things, right? It is combining the niche of a teacher, but it's also combining the niche of the Christmas season. And this is what I mean by collaborating two different ideas, putting them together where you are actually able to expound on what is here. So again, if you're selling and you're trying to figure out, well, what product should I sell? Well, yeah, definitely look into popular niches that are already selling right now. But one of the things you might want to do is to combine popular niches like teacher shirts with different holidays and actually combine those two things together, which you are able to make more sales because you are getting two people, right? The teacher, but also those who might be buying a teacher gift. So again, I teach The Brightest Student is a t-shirt that is selling super well right now on Etsy. Again, it is all about combining a popular niche with a popular season and maximizing on those two opportunities. Now, I'm going to share this with you because you might be saying, Jay, why are you showing me the same design, right? Why are you showing me the same shirt? One shirt is sold for $10, which is honestly is sold for a lot more if you go in here live and click on these links and figure out, okay, it's actually selling for more than just $10. Some of these are selling for like $14. However, you might be saying, well, Jay, what's the difference with the $10 shirt and the $2.99 shirt? Well, guess what, my friends? This listing is a shirt. This one is just the image. And so this is what I'm talking about, right? Creating passive income online. Yes, you can do so by selling t-shirts online through your print partner like Printful, which I'll leave more information about that in my link down in my description box below. But what you can also do, getting any value from today, let me know by hitting a like on today's video. What you can also do is bypass that whole Printful thing, right? Bypass that whole print on demand stuff and just create the t-shirt design itself and sell that. And here we have another bestseller selling for $2.99, and this is extremely passive because you don't have to worry about the exchange of income because you are trying to get the products in and trying to get the people to sell them, and then you're trying to figure out, well, what is my profit at the end of the exchange? The whole goal here is to generate passive income online, and you can do that just by selling the SVG file or the PNG file to these designs. And I had one viewer who subscribed to my channel, follow my tips, follow my strategies, and she talked about how she was able to earn over $1,000 on Etsy just by selling a product like this, right? Just by creating t-shirt designs to sell to other Etsy sellers. When you see this, just know that the t-shirt designs I'm sharing with you are things, yes, that can be sold as the print-on-demand products. I'm sharing with you t-shirts, but understand these things can also be sold on mugs. These designs can be sold on a canvas, but you can actually sell these designs just as the PNG file, the SVG file, that is extremely more passive than what I'm teaching you today. So just treat that as an option as we continue on with today's content. Let's keep moving on, my friends, because we're talking about several t-shirt designs that are selling right now. Here's my next one I want to give to you, and pretty soon I'm going to share with you the numbers behind how much people are actually making from these t-shirt designs to give you a little bit more perspective. But here's the second one, right? Teacher customized t-shirt, right? That's a great place to sell. Teachers love to customize their t-shirts. Teachers love to personalize their gifts, right? Their gifts are given to their other teachers, or maybe, you know, a parent might try to give a gift to a teacher. But what makes Etsy so cool is that it is a place where people already know they get personalized items. And a part of that personalized item is you can also sell personalized print-on-demand t-shirts. And again, we're talking about a niche that is successful right now, and it is that teacher's niche. And so again, when you combine a popular color, a popular font, and you give the option, right? You give the option to personalize it then you are actually able to make a specific design for that specific person. Again, they can't buy this t-shirt from Walmart, right? They can't go to Target and buy a t-shirt shirt with their name on it, right? Hopefully they can find a Miss Smith, but what if they have a name that's not popularized in today's culture? Where can they get a personalized t-shirt? Well, jumping on a platform like Etsy. So again, if you are new to selling print on demand products and you're trying to figure out, well, where is a good space to sell, definitely jump on personalized t-shirts.